Good morning, ka-dreamers! Oh, you say good morning.
Good morning.
How about you, Ella? Say good morning. Ay! You see a rainbow? Saan?
There.
So, ayan. Pupunta tayo ngayon dito. Magmamas ulit dito sa Holy Family. Kaya tara, para makahanap tayo ng upuan. And
This is the door. Second time I hear this way.
yeah, second time. So, ito yung party. Doon lang tayo. Tapos mamaya doon na lang tayo sa baba, no? Kamig. Ayan, quiet sila. You're so foggy.
Yes. So, why do
Yan, tapos na yung mass. Okay, din. Pupunta na ng... Where are you going?
Why
Ano?
us?
Where are us? Here.
Why do the food and us?
That's your prize. Being, very good at church, no?
What? This is the one.
Yeah. So, where are we going, anak?
Why us?
Why? What are you going to do in Toy R Us?
Why toys?
Why are we going to buy toys?
Because we have money.
No, because I promise you that when you are good at church, I'll give you toy, right?
Yay.
Yay.
One eternity later.
Ayan, malapit na kami guys. 1 minute na lang. Toy R Us na. Uy, Kaden, 1 minute na lang.
Oh no, we're gonna be late.
No, we're not going to be late.
But 1 minute is almost as 0 minutes.
Hmm.
Okay, it's 1 and 0.
300 meters, turn right on First Avenue.
Oh, almost there. Almost there, Kaden. Grabe yung mga
Turn
sasakyan
right
na.
on First Avenue, then turn left.
Punong-puno ng ano.
Can you see it?
Oh,
I can't see it.
right side.
I can't.
There.
South on Albert Street, Can Am Highway, and Second Avenue.
Ay, ano ba yan?
At the light.
Hindi mo pala nakita eh.
Then turn right.
Wag na.
Hindi, wag na.
Then you do.
Oh.
Turn right. Then
There
turn
you
left.
go. Okay, then you see? Do you see it? Ha? Bukas ba?
I can only see the walls. I can only see the
Oo.
glass and
Your
the
destination
doors
is on the right.
in the picture.
Buy what you want, okay?
Okay.
Just be good, ha? Go na.
What picture?
Remove your gloves. Ay, ang bilis ni Ella, oh. Oh, what do you want, Ella?
Ah!
Only gloves, not jacket.
Okay.
Why?
Move. Mahal dyan. Charot.
Why something?
Oy, may mura dito, oh. Naka-clearance. Kaso di ko kilala.
Harvard.
Oh. Ay, nako, kinuha na ni Ella. Oh. You want that, Ella? You want that? Oh, come on, let's go. Just that, ha? One only, ha?
What?
8 yata. Check mo nga.
What's this?
You want that? Ella? Okay. What do you want pa?
Ang baby dito.
Eh, si Ella nakapili na. Wala nang
I'm not a baby. I just want to go
Alam mo kung gusto mo ba to?
area.
Hindi, papiliin na lang natin siya kung may makuha pa siyang iba. Mukhang kailangan na ni Ella ng ganito. Oh.
I don't like.
No? Pang ilang taon kaya to?
Please, I want to go to the kids area. Please.
Oo. Hindi ko alam eh. Pang yung weight must only be used by person at least 18 kilos. Hindi pa pwede. Wala pang 18 kilos tong si Ella. Magaan si Ella eh.
13 pa lang to.
Oo. Magaan to eh.
What fiber?
You want that?
Yes, sir.
Show it to daddy na.
Wow. You get your
Pati si Ella.
That's for Ella.
Oh, that's for Ella. Get
That's
it
for
na.
Ella.
Get it na. That's for Ola.
Yes, I have na. So not this one na ha.
You choose Ella. Which one? Pag-choosein mo nga.
Ella,
Akin na nga muna to. Oh. Oh, Ella.
Come here.
Our
Which one you like?
this or this.
So this na, okay? Okay?
That.
Or this one? Which one? Okay.
Alam niya yung mas mahal sa kanya. Oh, hold your toy na. Hold your toy.
I want to hold this one. It's
Ay, sus. Nice. Are you happy? Are you happy, baby? Oh, no. Si Peppa Pig. Si Peppa Ella.
and high wheels. One.
Yeah. Uy, meron pa ditong dami, Daryl, oh. Maluluho ka, oh.
Depende sa inahanap mo.
Mm-mm. Parang mas nahirapan yung tatay kaysa sa pang anak mamili ng laruan, ah. Ano yan? Kasama ka?
Ah, tara na.
Kasama ka. Oh, magbayad ka, ah. Pera mo. Bayaran mo yung sa'yo. Ang sagot ko lang kina Kaden and Ella. Ano? Hindi?
Hindi.
Ano yan?
Nissan Seal 80.
Okay, let's go.
Now, let's go home.
Let's go home. No, we're going to Tita Ever muna.
What's the uncle so see the error for my race car?
Yeah, you can tell her, oh, look Tita Ever.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go to see the error house and let's go home.
Ella, oh, si Ella ang pinaka ano,
Sa kanya 9.
$9 na. Okay na.
How many? How many?
O, bayaran mo, ha?
is this?
Uy, Daryl, bayaran mo kay Ella, bayaran kayo sa inyo. Di ba may cash ka naman, Daryl?
So, pinapalit natin.
Hoy, di ba nag-withdraw pa sa ano? Hindi ka na nag-withdraw sa Scotia. Ayan, tapos na kami, guys. Nabili na yung mga gusto nila. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay, this is your toy. Come on, kid, let's go there. It's very cold. Pati kasi tatay may toy eh. So, are you happy naman, Kaden?
Yes, I want to show you my toy.
Yeah, your daddy's toy is like the price of ano eh. Same with Ella eh. $8.99 yung maliit na yon. Sabi ko, ibalik kayo. Iyak magbalik. Akala niya $3 lang. Oh my God.
But mine is $3.
O, si Kaden ang pinakamabait. Ay, mas magaling mamili si Kaden ng toy. Yung worth lang ng ano. Sabi pa ng tatay nila. O yung hanggang $5 lang kayo, ha? Nakakahiya naman po dyan. Ayan, pupunta tayo ngayon sa friend natin na isa. Tapos, bibili na ng lunch. Then, uwi na. Ito lang yung Sunday namin. Tapos, tomorrow is family day. Tignan natin kung anong magaganap sa family day bukas. Wala akong pasok. Si Daryl meron, pero panggabi. Bawal kasi sila mag-leave ng ng mga holidays. Kasi yun yung ano tawag dito, kabisi ng resto, di ba? Siyempre naman, natural, kakain sa labas yung mga tao. Nagtaka ka rin ba nun sa total niya?
Oh. 22. $9 pa yung kelo. Tapos 2 to 3 lang kami.
Eh, hindi. Tawa-tawa ka dyan, ha? Parang ako yung nasaktan dun, ha? Ako yung nasaktan ng... Ako nga, hindi ako nagbibili ng ganyan, eh. Kasi wala akong pambili. Pero ikaw, bumibili ka? May pambili ka? Ang kapal ng mukha. Ay, naku, nakakaloka. So, tapos na naman, umpisa na naman ng isang linggo natin. Bale, isang linggo na namang sobrang lamig dito ngayon sa Regina.
Hindi pa bababa?
Hindi pa. Mas mataas nga yung week na to, eh. Kaya nakakatakot nga lumabas, eh. Kasi mabilis kang maka-frostbite daw. Pag nagtagal ka lang ng 10 minutes sa labas, kakaroon ka ng sakit na dun sa malamig. Kaya magastos ang gas ngayon. Panigurado yan. Kaysa naman masira yung sasakyan.
Mas malaki gastos.
Mamimili lang tayo sa dalawa. Gagastos ka ng panggas mo para... Yan. Kakagas ko lang nung nakaraan, eh.
Thursday. Sunday
Thursday
na
ba yun?
Oo. Thursday sa ako.
Ay, oo nga, nag-Costco ako. Ayun. Tapos, nakalahati na. Nakalahati na ba? Magkakalahati na. Pang 3 araw pa lang, full tank yun, eh. Eh, wala naman akong pasok.
Hindi, biyahe ng Friday. Hinatid ko si Teden. Sinundo ko si Teden. Sinundo kita.
Hindi, tsaka yung
Hinatid ko
kakapainit.
kayo. Tapos punta ako ng trabaho. Nakailan ko balik-balik na.
Nakailang. Okay lang yan, hindi naman na
Tapos 15 minutes or 8 minutes na painit.
Oo. Ngayon, ganun. Magastos talaga pag winter sa gas. Himig ngayon ng town. Mahirap mag-park dito sa town, no?
Either pay parking or metered. Eh, hindi naman coin.
Pero
Online mong babayaran or tap ba yun?
minsan di nagana yung tap nila kasi nalalabigan. So, ewan. Sineselebrate pala ngayon at kahapon. Or kahapon yung National Flag Day ng Canada. Correct me if I'm wrong, pero tingnan nyo. Ngayon nakapost yung flag ng Canada. Yes. Is that your flag, Kaden? Oh, how about the Philippine flag? Do you know what is the Philippine flag? No? I'll show you. Okay? Yan. National Flag Day kahapon yun. Pulang-pula talaga siya, eh, no? So, mukhang tulog pa yung kaibigan namin.
Turn left,
Kaya,
then turn right.
magla-lunch muna kami dito sa may Broken Rock. Half yung price ng wings nila today. So, ayan. You're gonna eat, ha, Kaden?
After this, what are you going to do after this?
We're going home na.
No.
Oh, what do you want to do?
We're gonna fight. You just go to the Emma's house.
Yeah, we will go to Tita Ever's house. She's still sleeping, that's why.
Head west.
Because she's tired, that's why.
Oh my God.
It's cold, anak. You're gonna eat here, ha?
What?
Yeah. Eat, baby. There you go. Yan. Oy, we've been here na one time.
If you want non-alcoholic, we have
Tum na po, si Vanella.
You're going to eat rice? You're going to eat french fries.
One eternity later.
Ayan, tapos na tayo. May take out na naman. Nag-enjoy naman sila Kaden and Ella sa food. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Few moments later.
So, i-open na natin guys yung toys ni Ella. Are you happy, baby? Huh?
Ella, say yes.
Ayan, yan na. Ito na. Open na. Okay. 1, 2. You pull it, anak. Ay, ayaw pa. Wait lang, nakatali. Ayan na guys, yung binili namin kanina. Oh, nag-enjoy. Oh, you follow this spot. The blue one. You drive it. Go. Start. Start.
Please go around.
Okay, wow.
Go.
Go.
Go. No, why do we loading? Why is the
Wow, very good. Ang galing naman ni Vanella.
Wait. I just also see a hole.
Are you happy?
I just also see a black line. That means you can also remove it.
So nice, Ella.
That's why.
Are you happy, Ella?
It's the joy of the first steps of a child.